Don't ask why I'm disturbed. I am running out of data. It's perfect for a refreshing beauty like me. Huh? There's Arl.
What a surprise.
What's up? What's surprising?
Draco. I just found some spicy noodles. You want to try some?
What? You have spicy noodles?
Yeah, so then...
I want it.
Eh?
I'm sure it isn't spicy enough. I can handle it just fine.
Are you sure about this? This is 2 times spicy. I couldn't. It's too hot and spicy.
Well, okay. I can handle it. It's just noodles anyway.
But we'll have a noodle eating competition.
What do you mean, noodle eating competition?
Ready to eat?
Start slurping noodles. I won.
Ugh.
I want to eat some more. Is the supermarket this way?
Wait, Draco! There's a side effect for the noodles.
Huh? Oh my gosh, it's so spicy.
Down she goes.
Ow, that sucked. But I guess the spiciness came off, right? Wow. Wah. I didn't notice frogs speak. Sound effects? Sorry. With a cute, friendly smile, you have to make me forgive me. You'll forgive me, right?
It's Japanese time!
Oh, no, I got the screaming sound effect virus. Huh, that was scary. Well, I still have to get to the supermarket. I gotta get that cup of noodles. What's going on there, little frog? Hopefully, I'm not gonna scream randomly. Oh no, I'm gonna scream. Maybe. Let's just wait for the noodles and get medicine now. I hope nobody laughed. It was so embarrassing to scream in front of others. Sound effects are coming out randomly in my mouth. At least I can still speak, right? Huh? Which? Which, you got the sound effect? Virus 2?
But instead of sound effects, I spoke a song.
You got a song virus.
The wizard that there is or was is ever alive.
It's the song you sang with, Andy. That was scary. Oh, right, I should get medicine. Is it this way? Okay, you're not talking to me.
Down she goes.
I can't believe I got the song virus too. I see nice things. Yay, I'm a washing machine now. Hem, Schezo's here.
It's Japanese time!
You're not a washing machine, you're a dragon girl.
I want it to be an IKEA table.
You want to be an IKEA table, huh?
No, not literally.
Where is it?
But stop.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah!
That was scary. Where's the supermarket?
The supermarket? I have no idea where the supermarket is.
Oh no, I'm gonna scream again.
Did she just scream at me?
Why do I keep screaming every single minute? I need to find the cure ASAP. But I landed in 1, 2, 3, 4 over 7 minutes, so I must be another song. This is Hero Land. I take that back. I sang the wrong song all this time. Why did I just suddenly start singing that song?
That is not the case in the slightest. かったわ。Oh my.
My disease is getting worse. Where's the supermarket?
It is straight to our left.
Left, right? Thanksy.
She ran straight to the right. Meow.
This isn't the supermarket. Where's the medicine I need? Ha! And hungry. Right, here's a random, warm, tasty little hot dog. I'm not sure if it is really medicine. I'll just scream.
Draco, what are you doing? This is not medicine. This is for my date. How could you eat my muddy, spicy ramen?
That food is not medicine. I'll just scream at you once more.
Draco, you are grounded.
You are not my mom.
How could this happen?
My mouth still feels weird. Excuse me, do you know where the supermarket is? Is there any way around?
Use Google Maps, you big bet, and don't you scream at me ever again.
That was scary. Hey, wait. I found a supermarket. I wonder if they have medicine in stock. Hello? Any medicine here? Finally, a salesman. That's gotta be it. Found it. I'm not sure if this medicine's going to work. What are you selling here?
How can I help you today? We got antibiotics, laxatives, cough syrup, and more.
I want the medicine for the sound effect virus. I want IT, I need IT. Let me drink it now.
I don't know, that's not the right medicine, kiddo. That's medicine for singers.
Why is my condition worse than It's the spicy noodle fault for making me speak sound effects. You tricked me. I got the same thing too. I have no idea how it's supposed to sound effects well. I didn't do anything to the noodles. Someone did this. Do you know the cure for this?
I have music herbs. They're somewhere in my house. But handle it properly.
Then it's gonna be medicine
for the sound effect virus.
Finally, I'm cured. I can no longer scream randomly anymore.
What about the others? Maybe they got the same thing as yours.
Roar, did you say something?
Well, let's not have spicy noodles like this ever again.